Corn snakes are also prone to internal parasites if they are wild caught. Most captive bred do not have the internal parasites, but one thing to look out for is bloody stools, and regurgitation is one of the main telltale signs of internal parasites. If they cannot keep their food down, then there's probably something going on there. Now, another problem would be mites or ticks, which will be characterized by little black bugs on the body. If you can't actually see the bugs, a lot of times you'll see a scale that's been lifted, and this could possibly have a mite underneath it. Mites need to be treated with a pyrethrins-based treatment. It's what you would use on cats if they had fleas, but make sure to dilute it to 0.05%. If you don't have pyrethrin spray, you can get at your local pet stores mite treatment. They often will have, it may not be pyrethrins based, but they often will have mite treatments that will work. Usually involves cleaning their cage out every day and treating the snake probably for about 3 days, maybe up to a week. Now, ticks can be pulled off with tweezers, and the wound the tick has made on the snake can be covered with a triple antibiotic ointment, and that's generally all you need to do to take care of ticks. Now, left untreated, ticks and mites can cause disease and death in your snakes, so this is something that you want to make sure is treated right away. Another problem with snakes could be neurological problems. If you see stargazing, which is staring straight up to the ceiling for no apparent reason, kind of spacing out or weaving back and forth, that's probably a sign of a neurological problem and should be checked by your veterinarian. Most people wouldn't think that you could take a snake to the veterinarian, but you'd be surprised how many local vets in your area have a background in herpetology. You can go ahead and call your veterinary offices that are local and ask if they have a specialist in herpetology, and if they don't, then they'll oftentimes be able to refer you to somebody who does have a background in snakes or exotic animals at all.